Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to apply Dhan Referral code. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is install the Dhan app on your Android or iPhone device. You can usually find it on the Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store for iOS. Once you have downloaded the app, open it up. This usually requires you to provide some basic information, including your phone number. Now, enter your mobile number and tap on the Proceed Ahead button to continue with the registration process. Next, you'll need to enter the OTP that is sent to your mobile number. This step is essential for verifying your account and ensuring the security of your referral code application. After successfully verifying your OTP, the next step is to enter your email address in the field and tap on Proceed Ahead button to continue with the registration process. After that, check your email inbox. You should receive a message from Dhan with either a verification code or a verify link. If you received a verification code, return to the Dhan app and locate the field where you can enter the code. Type in the code and click Proceed Ahead button to confirm your email. Once your email is successfully verified, the next important step is to set up a 6-digit PIN for your Dhan account. Enter your 6-digit PIN in the designated field. In a separate field labeled Confirm PIN, re-enter the same 6-digit PIN you just chose. Double-check to ensure you've entered it correctly. Following the setup of your 6-digit PIN, the next step is to apply your referral code. So, click on the Enter Here button. This button is usually located behind the text Have a Referral Code. Enter SFBMC62412 referral code in the designated referral code field and tap on Continue button to proceed. Double-check to ensure you have entered the code correctly. And there you have it. You have successfully applied a Dhan referral code and are ready to start enjoying the benefits. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.